Name is Nikkie, but my name ain't Nicole.
This is going to be part 1 of the videos. It's going to be a series of 4. So just make sure y'all stay tuned, enjoy part 1, and just keep watching for part 2. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Nikkie Nicole. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on this UNice hair. This is a package that it came from. I ordered mine from Amazon. I'll have the link below if you want to check it out. I'll open up the box and let you see. I already opened it up earlier because I couldn't wait. This is what comes inside the box. I have some eyelashes. I'll just throw them in my pile because I don't wear eyelashes. I ordered Brazilian body wave. I have an 18, 16, 14, and then I have a free part 12-inch closure. Okay, so this is the closure. I'm just going to be showing you that it's free part. I can part it anywhere, and it just feels very, very soft. This is the 14-inch, and I'm just showing you how it was packaged. It's very, very soft and pretty. I'm really surprised when I removed the rubber band from the hair. I didn't get a lot of shedding from it at all, or like, you know how sometimes the hair is tangled up around. You get a lot of hair. The bundles are thick and it's soft, it's pretty, and just look at it. I can't wait to put this in my head. This is the 16-inch. It's soft, showing you the wefts and how pretty your hair is. This is the 18-inch. Still pretty thick. You get a lot of hair. I'm going to be using this fray check, and yes, I seal my wefts on all my hair. You just have to make sure you get it on the weft and not the hair. Once I'm finished with this side, I'm going to flip it over and do the other side to make sure the wefts are nice and sealed. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to be dyeing the hair, lifting the hair, lighting the hair, something to the hair. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.